What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So throughout this little space between the last video that I created and this video, I went through a lot of comments and saw some people that were saying, "Look, Terra Luna Classic's not moving. I feel as though I just need to sell it and get into another position. I can't deal with all the stress while everything else is moving and Terra Luna Classic is just staying the same." And it came from multiple videos, different comments across the board. And it's an interesting concept. So I wanted to make this video talking about before you sell your Terra Luna Classic, I think you need to take steps in order to understand what you are selling, what the potential of this position is, and also understanding your strategy overall and if it fits, what your plan is for the future. So, guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. We're almost at 16,000 followers. And we're also almost at 16,000 followers on the NFA channel. If you guys want to go and subscribe to that, we have a bunch of different content on there about, crypto and stock related content. We go on, do a live stream basically every morning about, stocks and stuff. So if you want to go and subscribe to that, that link should be in the description as well. But Terra Luna Classic, we've had a lot of back and forth with certain people that would say this is going to the moon, and then the next comment will say this is dead, or we're not seeing any movement. I'm selling all my Terra Luna Classic, and it's like if it was one person, they would have split personalities. Like, it's like crazy the transition that you see from comment to comment, where it's like, this is amazing, this sucks, this is absolutely the best thing in the world, this is fantastic or fantabulous. I don't know what words to use. You have all different types of things that people say, and different ranges, right? They're here, they're there, they're over there, it's just so much. And I think what we need to do is take a step back and understand before you're selling what you should have in place. And I think everybody from the start should have in place some sort of selling strategy. And I talked about this in the previous video. I think everybody should have something like this in place. Let me make sure this is working. Should have something like this in place to where you make sure that you're selling at the right moments and you're gathering the right amounts. And now I understand for the people that are selling, or that want to sell, you're probably like, all right, well, it's at 17 and I don't think it's going to get to 0.005 or 0.0005 or anything like that. So I'm just going to sell right now. So I don't have a selling strategy. My selling strategy completely changed. I implore you to fill something like this out, because what it will show you is at different levels where the market caps are. And then you'll be able to see like, how realistic is it to get to some of these levels of a drop zero, of two drop zeros, right? So filling something like that out will help you out so much with understanding your strategy, and if selling right now really makes sense, or if selling even a portion of it now would make sense to you, right? But then I think you guys should understand the investment that you jumped into. If you did not understand what Terra Luna Classic was and you thought it was just going to be gains right from the start, you got to understand the market. You got to understand the position. So Terra Luna Classic is currently at 0.0001702. Yes, it's been hovering around these levels for pretty much around a month. We've seen it a high of 19, a low of 13. So it's really been hovering around these levels compared to something like Aptos, which went from $3 to $19, or looking at Bitcoin from like $15 or $15,000 all the way up to $23,000, or Ethereum from 1,200 up to 1,600, almost 1,700. So obviously we have a lot more movement, and people are like, look, why isn't Terra Luna Classic moving? Why aren't we having any type of success? This has so many people that are invested into it. Why are we not seeing this? Understand that the reason why it's not moving is because everybody that wants to invest into this position or wanted to invest into it are already invested into it. You're not having a lot of new people. It's like with my YouTube channel. I'm not getting a ton more subscribers because a lot of the people that are watching my channel are already invested into Terra Luna Classic, are already invested into Shiba Inu. If I go through my analytics, you see out of 30,000 or 20,000 views that I get in a day, you'll see maybe 1,000 of those people be new new to my channel. So obviously seeing a low percentage there. And it's the same thing here. You're seeing a low percentage of people that are new to Terra Luna Classic. Anybody that is investing into it has previously invested into it, has been swing trading it or day trading it, and they also have it staked. So you're not seeing much movement because you have a lot of people that are already in it, that believe in it, that want to see this thing grow. But then when you see a bullish market, things will absolutely skyrocket. Now, we have a lot of things that are in the works that could increase volume, increase burns, which essentially could increase the overall price as well. Understanding that you have, the new station app, you have the new L1 task force, you have people that are in charge that are looking to get things done. And that doesn't mean that you're necessarily going to see everything skyrocket right now. You need to see more bullish momentum. You need to see more people that are looking for another investment that has popularity. And then you'll see this thing run to a whole new level. We understand that the market cap sits at a $1 billion market cap. If we were looking at the max ceiling potential right now, I look at $100 billion as kind of that level for a popular position. And we would be looking at 100x return. If you're telling me that you are not even comfortable with gaining a 100x return or a 5x return out of this, and you want to sell it because you want to gain maybe a 2x return somewhere else, go for it. I'm not going to tell you not to do it. But again, you need to understand what you're giving up here before you end up selling your position, right? So it's currently at a $1 billion market cap. We've seen this at a $4 billion market cap, which would be a 4x return up to the highs of this low area. You see the circulating supply. We understand we have burns that are coming on with Binance. We have burns that are coming through with different utility that's built on chain. We just have a bunch of, burns for this supply to decrease that. And if we're seeing the same market cap, we see an increased price, which means that whatever you're holding increases as well. From whatever you're holding at 0.00017 to whatever you're holding at 0.0005 or something like that. So understand that this has a lot more potential and will be worth a lot more than people think. And the people that may be giving up on it, it sucks to see, people give up on it because I want everybody to win. I want a lot of people to win. I know it's player versus player in these markets, but I want everyone to win at least some way, whether you're winning in the form of millions or hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands. I want to see people win and, change their overall situation, their financial situation. And I think this is a way to do that. So I wanted to just put out a video talking about before you sell your position, kind of trying to give people, not say, hey, don't sell your position and you don't need to get out of it and all this other stuff. I'm not saying that. I'm just giving you the information so that you can double check. And if you are looking and you're like, oh, well, you know what? I see a better opportunity where I can gain 2x over here, and then I'll come back to Terra Luna Classic, or I'm never coming back to Terra Luna Classic. Well, it sucks. It really does suck to see people maybe lose out on opportunities because I think this is going to be a lot bigger than people think. So anyways, hopefully this video was helpful at all, with at least giving people a second look on it, or giving people that little nudge to say, maybe I should look into this a little bit more. Maybe I should take a little bit more time to understand this investment and where we're headed versus, anywhere else. I know there's some back and forth within the community, but any community sees some sort of, back and forth or negative or, reactions and comments and all of that, arguing, bickering. Every community sees it. Because some people believe we should go one way, other people believe we should go the other way. So hopefully, this just gave you maybe that little bit of life, that little kick in the butt to say, yeah, maybe I should look into this a little bit more, give it another chance or something. But if you want to sell your position, I'm not telling you can't. Find a position that works for you, that you feel works for you. But I want everyone to win. So hopefully you do. Wherever you go, hopefully you do win. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.